Welcome to Laboratories YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at sample cue card. Describe a time you got lost in a place you didn't know about. So the cue card is describe a time you got lost in a place you didn't know about. In this cue card, you have to cover the following cues. When did it happen? Who was with you? What did you do? How you felt about it. So the sample answer for this cue card is, well, I'm quite an adventurous person, so I always love traveling to distinct places whenever I get a chance. Here, I would like to talk about a time when I got lost while traveling to a hill station. What exactly happened? Last year, my three friends and I were free at home due to ongoing summer vacations. We came across the idea to visit Kelong, a beautiful tourist place situated in Himachal Pradesh, which is around 400 kilometers away from my city. None of us have visited this place before, so we really wanted to go there. On that day, we were using Google Maps to reach our destination while driving our car. But as soon as we crossed Manali, our internet stopped working. We were not sure about the route and the time was around 8 p.m. Unfortunately, we took a wrong turn to darkness and we started following a different route. Our remaining journey was supposed to be around 1 hour of drive, but after 2 hours, we were nowhere. We were in the middle of a jungle, so we started feeling panic. Then we decided to go back, and luckily, we found a small restaurant where we had our dinner and inquired about the route to Kelong. That person told us a shortcut, which helped us safely reach Kelong. It was an adventurous as well as terrible experience. I learned from this incident that we should not completely depend on technology while going to new places. Now we will look at the follow ups for this cue card. Do you often get lost? No, I don't. I only get lost when I go to any new place. Moreover, I get lost due to unavoidable circumstances like overcrowding and a lack of signboards. But I mostly use maps on my mobile to find places. Next question is map reading skill important? Definitely. It's a crucial skill, especially for those who travel a lot. This helps them stay on their route rather than going to the wrong places. However, people don't need to be skillful to use maps as there are many mobile apps. Are some people good at map reading than others? Of course. Some individuals are better at map reading than others. Some face difficulty in remembering some important things like names and landmarks, while others can easily keep these in mind. Next question is, why do some people like traveling to other places? I believe some people want to explore new places around the country or world, so they travel a lot. Then, some like to try new foods or learn about new cultures. which encourages them to visit various places. Finally, there are people who are adventurous, so they regularly visit new sites. Next question is, should they find information about the place before going there? Yes, it's better to collect some crucial information before visiting a new place. This would help us pack our stuff accordingly, like the type of clothes and medicines. However, most individuals don't pay much attention to this and sometimes have to suffer a lot when they reach a new place. So, this was the follow ups for this cue card. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. We live on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Do follow us there.